Welcome! If you're tired of seeing calendar notifications cluttering your Gmail search results, I've got a simple and effective update to share with you. Excluding calendar emails when searching in Gmail on your phone has never been easier. Whether you use an Android or an iPhone, this quick trick will help you focus on the emails that really matter without those calendar updates taking up space. Let's dive right in. First, open the Gmail app on your Android or iPhone. The app's interface is designed to be user-friendly, so once you're in, you'll see the inbox just like usual. The next step is straightforward. Just tap on the search bar located right at the top of your screen. This is where you usually type your search terms, but we're going to take it a step further to make our search cleaner. When you tap the search bar, a variety of filter options will appear just below it. Among these, you'll notice one labeled Exclude Calendar Updates. This is exactly what you need to tap on. Selecting this option tells Gmail to filter out those calendar-related emails from your search results. By doing this, your searches become much more relevant because you're removing all the automated calendar notifications, meeting invites, and other event emails. It's a great way to cut through the noise and find the messages that need your attention faster. So, to recap, here's what you do. Open the Gmail app on your Android or iPhone. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Look for and tap Exclude Calendar Updates from the filter options right below the search bar, and you're done. This simple update ensures your searches exclude calendar emails, making your Gmail experience smoother and more efficient. Give it a try next time you're searching for something specific, and you'll notice the difference immediately. No more scrolling through calendar clutter to find your important messages. Stay organized, stay productive, and enjoy a cleaner inbox experience every time you use Gmail search on your phone.